Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I was sitting outside and I was just thinking about different video ideas and concepts for you guys. And one of the things I've been noticing a lot lately, especially when it comes to Adidas and the Yeezys, is that a lot of people have been complaining about the new Yeezy slides as far as like colorways, the silhouette styles, and the different modifications that they made that make these things actually look fake. So it's almost like what Kanye was saying was actually legit. Like, these are fakes that you're buying. So I figured I'd do a video about that. So today we're gonna take a look at the Onyx slide. So we have the regular Onyx that dropped that I have, and then my neighbor ended up hitting on the dark Onyx. And I heard that it wasn't much difference in these things. As a matter of fact, I heard it was the same colorways, the same slide, whatever. But to my naked eye, it's something different and off about these. Let's talk about it.
It's the means that they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
So if this is your first time tapping into the channel, let's go ahead and get this out the way, man. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are on our race to 10K, and guess what? We're gonna hit that thing real soon. So I'm currently sitting outside because it's just a beautiful day, y'all. I said, you know what? Let me do my recording outside. And plus, I'm really hoping that the natural light outside can show the difference in the color hues and the tones of these slides. Because I just don't want to mess it up. I want to get this right for you guys so you can know if you want to get a dark Onyx or a regular Onyx. So without further ado, let's take a look at these slides. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the box. As you guys can see here, easy slide box, normal, nothing different about the boxes. This is the dark Onyx. As you guys can see right here, it says dark Onyx, dark Onyx, dark Onyx. This is a size 13. This is the 2024 drop. And then this was the 2022, I think, drop or whatever of the Onyx slide. So this is just a regular Onyx. Now, I heard it was no difference in this colorway, but as you guys can see here, you have to your right here, which is gonna be the dark Onyx, and then you have the Onyx. Right out the gate, you guys probably can't see much difference. I'm trying to pick up as I'm trying to use this natural light to give you guys the most accurate color. But if you can see, this dark Onyx has more of a gray slate, in my opinion, hue to it. It's just a little bit more, it's a little bit darker. This one right here has a little bit more of a gray tone to it, which makes it a little lighter hue. So if we take one of the regular Onyx and one of the dark Onyx right here, which, like I said, dark Onyx, regular Onyx, you see that this one here has a little bit more of a darker hue to it. Not by much, but it is a little bit different. So there is a difference in the color tone. Not a huge difference. It's not so much that it's super noticeable to the point where you just have to get dark Onyx and Onyx, or it's a preference. They're both the same thing. Like, to the naked eye, you're not gonna notice a difference on either one of these. As you look down over them, as I said, you really don't notice a difference on each one of the sneakers. They're both pretty much the same. So you have the dark Onyx and the Onyx here. And like I said, not too huge of a difference on them. And by the way, I'm rocking, y'all see what I'm rocking on feet. But anyway, so it's not detrimental. Whenever you hear the word dark Onyx, I don't want you guys to be fooled thinking that, let me see if I can show you a side view of them. I don't want you guys to be fooled and have Adidas thinking that it is such a drastic difference in them that it's going to literally make a break with them when you get one. So again, left side here, right over here, left side, regular Onyx, dark Onyx. Not much of a difference when it comes to the color tone or variation of color on these two slides, man. The cut is pretty much the same. Whatever you get on your standard Yeezy slides that you've always got, stick to that. Bottoms literally are exactly the same material, same stuff. So like I said, y'all let me know down in the comment section, do y'all see a huge difference in these things? Again, in my opinion, I get a little bit more of a green hue on the dark Onyx. than I do on a regular Onyx. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around, close out this video. All right, you guys, that's it. I hope that helped you guys determine whether or not you want to go for the dark Onyx or Onyx. In my humble opinion, if you're gonna buy these slides, they're still available, the dark Onyx, on the website. I don't want you guys to be deterred thinking that dark Onyx means different than the OG Onyx. So if you're looking for the OG Onyx, getting the dark Onyx is still pretty much the same thing. Like literally, the color tone is not that drastic to the point where you just feel like you have to go make a, you gotta go to StockX and get the one that says Onyx. Not big of a difference, and that's been the way it's always been with the Yeezy slides, is that they've never been, the color tone has never been so far off, and everything between the slate gray, the slate marines and stuff like that, everything is so close that it really doesn't matter. And from the naked eye, unless you just really know these slides, you're never gonna know which colorway you're getting when it comes to the gray tone anyway. But that's all I got for you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you agree or disagree. Remember, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all remember the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the roof.